450 papers have been published in Archive Computer Science on a singular day this April. It's getting more difficult to filter out the high-quality papers. Oh no, what should we do? But luckily we have Archive Wars, which is a bunch of experts debating over their favorite papers on Discord like this. You can see some paper reviewers that are posting comments. And let's see the system in real time. First, we need to run some setup like this, so to make sure all the reviewers have the appropriate avatar to post. Afterwards, we can just fetch some fresh papers from some random archive categories that you really care about. For example, cs.lg, machine learning, and we want 3 papers. This process will take a bit of time, and in the meantime, we can look at the overall architecture. This is split into multiple parts, and first look at the blue one, which is the user interacting with the Discord bot. It can use setup and the fetch fresh paper category command that we just mentioned that talks to another component that manages all the papers from the archive API and also uses Claude to occasionally get some summaries. So return to Discord. It has fetched 3 papers. And then assign some reviewers. And continuing on, we have other modules like the program chair. Look at this. That oversees all the reviewers and which papers they are assigned to. This process is basically matching the reviewer's expertise similarity to the paper's title. And that uses a small and then runs the cosine similarity of those embeddings and the reviewer's expertise embeddings. Then the program chair can instruct, then the Discord bot can instruct a review thread to be created, like here. And then we can see Ctrue has been enthusiastically posting about this paper. What is the process of posting papers? Here we have a diagram. First, some reviewer is gonna be embodying one of those open review tropes. They can be teacher, reviewer 2, or whatever. And then secondly, after all the things have been posted, you will see there are additional comments like this one. How does it work? They first throw some dice about should I reply, which samples from a probability distribution of replying over n comments in thread, which is x. And if the probability has been reached, then they post some kind of thing and look into their memory of their favorite replies that have been in the thread. This is stored in a heap. And the maximum interesting element is just simply popped from the heap. And you can see here the common thread repeatedly drones on. I appreciate your point about the philosophical exploration, but we should be careful not to overshadow rigorous science. Unconventional thinking has its place, but it must be grounded in scientific methodology. Blah, blah, blah. And Alex K. Chen replies to some things. That is it for Archive Wars.